Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are decluttering. We're taking out all the Christmas decor in the house, and it was a good time. I did enjoy this color. It was all about bows this year and I love it, but I want for 2025, I don't want to have any Christmas in my home. I don't want to have it. I want it to be gone. So today is All Year's Day and I am taking down my tree today. I wanted to keep it up a bit longer, but my husband goes back out to work and I just want to just let everything pack away and start fresh for the new year. So that's what we're going to do today, and bring back all the regular, and wishing you a happy New Year's, wishing you all the best for 2025. I know you're going to see this in 2025, but we had a great time over here in 2024. I look forward for better and greater things in 2025, posting more consistently and engaging more guys with you. So make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe if you're not new, if you're new here, and let us go and guys, welcome back to the channel. Another episode with Glam with Isis. We already have Christmas down and it's time to get winter continue going on without the Christmas. So we're going to start in the entryway and decorate our coffee table styling. And if you're new here, make sure you like, subscribe and become a part of the family over here. I hope you'll find something inspirational that you can achieve in your own home. If you're new here also, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Isis. I love home decor. If you're not following me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and over here, go ahead. What you're missing out, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. We do a lot of home decor, DIYs, and everything home essential vlogs. I want to start adding that into my content. So that is what we're going to do. We have just moved into our home a few months now and we are still trying to get it together. So let us all get it together. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and sweep. I might use my Swiffer mop when I'm finished decorating the coffee table, the entryway table, cleaning the mirror and those stuff. So, you know, Christmas is gone, the house is empty, all the garlands are down, the lights are down, the bells are, everything is packed away. And it's no, you don't want to go, I don't want to go straight into spring, but still have a little winter vibes going on, but still little, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to go ahead and get that done. So let's go ahead and start. You know guys, I'm tired of buying brooms. I had to buy a new broom again yesterday because one of my boys broke my broom and put it in the laundry, not letting me know who did it. So I told Elias to go and get me the broom and he bought the broom without the stick, but then it was broken. So I got this one from Home Goods for $9.99. Never tried before. I picked it up yesterday. Yeah, I just do a little sweeping in the kitchen last night and sweep okay, but I'm still gonna be looking for a nice broom. And then Zorian break my mop, so I was out of a broom and a mop, and I feel like I was dying. Still has to find a good mop. I think I might go with the Osita. If you try it, let me know in the comments if you like it, because I never tried. I see everyone use it. I usually like the mop that you don't have to mix water, but I see some new Osita mops that has the clean water separating from the dirty water. So I might go to Lowe's or Walmart or Home Depot to see if they have it and see if I can get it, because I need to mop my floors. So let's go ahead and clean and mop. So let's toss off this here for now and I'm going to wipe it down and stuff like that. So let me just pull this entryway table, which I really love. My ideal table was the U brought from our house, and it was between that and this, but the our house one was also stuck for a while and I needed a new coffee table, entryway tables, and this one was a quick 2-day shipping. So instead of going with our house, and this one was on sale too, so I just got this one. And this one is the 72 long. So let's go ahead and sweep. As well, turn on this one. from Pottery Barn. frame, which I add the insert from Amazon. I'm gonna have that right there. So that I am now gonna come in with a coffee table book, but I'm gonna bring the coffee table book from this side. I'm just gonna lean the coffee table book on the now. Both bays are from Pottery Farm. We're gonna add some stems from Florals right here. Then I also have some greenery. It's not too green, it looks like snow fall on it. And I'm just gonna put it here. Oh, I don't want to let it You have to turn it.
To go around?
Yeah, turn it around.
Yeah, to work.
Yeah. Hi guys, and this is the end results. I hope you love it. I absolutely love the winter vibes it's giving right here. Make sure you like, share and subscribe so we can know every time I upload a video. Make sure your notification bell is on. And if you're not following me on all social media, go ahead and do that. But I'll see you soon and love you guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about this entryway styling. Bye.